Are you tired of seeing that annoying gray border around your Jupyter notebooks? It can be distracting, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to eliminate that gray border and give your notebooks a clean look. I completely understand your frustration. Many users have experienced this issue, and it can really take away from the overall aesthetic of your work. You're definitely not alone in wanting a cleaner notebook interface. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to remove the gray border at the top and bottom of their Jupyter notebook after successfully eliminating the left and right borders. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what causes this gray border? It often stems from the default styling of Jupyter notebooks, which can be adjusted with some custom CSS. Don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to make those changes. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you customize your Jupyter notebooks even further. To eliminate the gray border at the top and bottom of Jupyter notebooks, the user should start by creating a custom CSS file. This file will override the default styles. Next, the user needs to add specific CSS rules to this file. These rules will set the margins and padding to 0, effectively removing the gray borders. After saving the changes to the custom CSS file, the user should restart the Jupyter Notebook server. This ensures that the new styles are applied. Finally, the user can open their Jupyter Notebook in the browser. They should now see that the gray borders at the top and bottom have been removed, providing a cleaner look. Fun fact: did you know that Jupyter Notebooks were originally developed as part of the IPython project? They have come a long way since then, and now you can customize them to your heart's content. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves modifying the custom CSS for Jupyter Notebooks. First, add specific CSS rules to the custom.css file located in the Jupyter/custom directory. This will help maximize your working space by adjusting padding and margins. Additionally, if you're using the Table of Contents plugin, you can patch its JavaScript file to reduce the margin. This involves changing the margin value in the toast2.js file to improve the layout without needing to restart Jupyter. With these adjustments, you can effectively eliminate the gray borders and utilize the available space in your Jupyter notebooks. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution to eliminate the gray border around Jupyter notebooks involves adding specific CSS styles. You can set the margin and padding to 0 for all elements, as well as for the HTML, body, and container classes. This will remove extra space at the top, bottom, and sides. Additionally, you can set the height to 100% for the HTML and body, but it's noted that this may not be as effective as adjusting the width. Start with the margin and padding adjustments first. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests removing the gray border around selected cells in Jupyter notebooks. They provide a simple code snippet that uses HTML styling to achieve this. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider creating a custom CSS file for all your Jupyter notebooks. This way, you can apply your preferred styles across all your projects with just one file. And there you have it. Your Jupyter notebooks should now be free of those pesky gray borders. Remember, customizing your workspace can enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.